Welcome to part 7. Let's talk about the property and its uniqueness, okay? How important is a property's uniqueness? Well, oftentimes it's the booking, it's the difference between getting it booked and not. A friend of mine was telling me about his guy's trip that he was doing, and they were going somewhere not where I had a nightly rental, because otherwise I would have been like, hey, why don't you use my house, right? But he told me how he was going out to this area to go golfing. It was a golf trip and stuff like that. And the reason they chose, there's a lot of different rental homes, right? The reason they chose the home they chose is because it had a foosball table. That's it, a foosball table. Foosball table is like $500, okay? And in this case, it was the difference between that landlord making money or not, okay? So having different things that kind of set your home apart, because if everything's looking similar, you gotta, what differentiates your home? Oh, okay, same price, same everything. Oh, hey, this one has a foosball table. Let's use that one, right? So you wanna find things in the area that really help your home do well, right? Obviously in Disney World, in Florida, if you have a home that's near Disney World and you wanna rent it out, what I've seen people have a lot of success with is a themed room, right? It's a Harry Potter world, room, or it's a Cinderella room, or a Cars room, or whatever, right? It's got some cool themes to it. It kind of differentiates it a little bit. It's like, oh, hey, that's pretty cool. I like that house, right? So if you can do things that make it more unique, that's going to help your home. Okay. A couple other suggestions. You could have even just like bocce ball, a bocce ball set, right? And take a picture of, somebody playing bocce ball, okay? Because that's, again, going to differentiate your house. Even though it's a yard game and it's in the garage, still, that's kind of nice. If you had a mini putting green, add that a little bit. Obviously, a pool or a hot tub, those are big items, things that really help. You just want to, again, differentiate your home. Have that uniqueness that you can do. That will be the difference between often renting it or not, especially as it becomes more and more competition for homes, right? There's a lot of people that want to do a nightly rental. That might be the difference here for you. That concludes part 7, property uniqueness.